Okay, I want to do a quick video of the CS310, Echo CS310. This saw literally just came out of the box. I put oil in it, I started it once, that's it. I haven't done anything to the carburetor, I haven't done anything at all to the saw. The saw has never seen wood. Reason for this video is this saw is a little bit of a dog out of the box. It's slow, it doesn't perform very well, and I just wanted to show everybody the differences after, like before and after you run this saw. So, or not run the saw, but get some time on it and run some fuel through it. So, like I said, it's brand new, out of box. You can see it's never seen wood before. Just put some premium fuel in it. Red Armor mix from Echo, and let's see how she starts. So prime it, choke, kicks over and dies, kick that off. I got a pretty substantial log. It's a lot of wood to cut through for this guy. It's probably, I would say, almost 16 inches in diameter. Just getting her warmed up and making sure the oiler's working. Now we got a nice trail of oil in there, so she's good to go. So obviously a pretty big chunk of wood to be cutting with this saw, I know that. But like I said, I just wanted to show people out of the box how this thing runs. Like I said, a lot of dealerships set these things up, put them together, they fire them up, and they don't scream out of the box. They sound pretty weak. But in actuality, the saw is a beast once it's tuned properly and properly broken in. So I'm going to go grab my screwdrivers and my tachometer and show you guys what you can get out of this saw just by making some minor adjustments to it. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I just made a quick adjustment on the carburetor, and that's literally all I did. I didn't touch anything else. Just set the high limit a little bit, more fuel in there, and whole new saw. So let's have a look see. So she's already warm. That's one thing about this saw that I think goes completely underrated, is how easy it starts. Once it's up to temperature and all that kind of stuff, 2 fingers. Find me a saw that starts that good. So 14-inch bar, and I'm burying it. This is poplar. It's pretty dead. It's pretty dry. You can see the bark coming off it, all that kind of stuff. So it's relatively hardwood. This has the factory chain on it, which is an Oregon 91 PX chain, which is it's a safety chain. So it's got softened corners and all that kind of stuff on it. It's a micro chisel, so it's not a full high performance chain by any means. It is you know, safer to run. So quite a difference. Anyways, thanks for your time. Echo CS310.